monitors, and other peripherals. USB-C supports audio and video transmission, allowing you to connect your devices to external displays, projectors, and TVs. With USB-C, you can transmit high-definition video and audio signals, making it possible to use a single cable for both power and display connectivity. Due to the transition from older USB connectors to USB-C, it may be necessary to use adapters or dongles to connect legacy devices. Adapters can convert USB-C to USB-A or other connector types, ensuring compatibility with older devices or peripherals that still use older USB standards. USB-C technology offers a range of benefits, including its reversible design, universal compatibility, increased data transfer speeds, power delivery capabilities, and audio-video transmission. It has become the standard for many new devices and is increasingly replacing older USB connectors.